we have the client map configured, and we have configured some points into the relay from the UR relay into the D400, we're going to create an evaluation expression. So an evaluation expression in Calculator, basically you can take a number of digital inputs and just add them or analog inputs, add them or them, right, and then create a value out of them. Common question that comes from the users is how do we do it under Calculator? So under the configuration tab in your D400, you go first into the map point, you add your point. So in this case, we'll go to our multi-lane relay, and we add these points from the multi-lane relay into our mapped digital input points. So here we've got 0 DI, 1 DI, 2 DI, 3 DI. They're all added as a digital inputs from the list of digital inputs. If there is other digital inputs, for example, I can just check them or uncheck them, and immediately they will get an alias. That's that alias that you will use inside your expression in the calculator, right? And there is an easy way to access them once you start to build your expression. So the GUI has been simplified in order to help you as a user. And then we go under expressions. We highlight the evaluations expressions, and then we click plus to add an evaluation expression. Once the evaluation expression, it will show up like this. It will give us an output value. We can output either to a digital input or an analog input. So in this case, I'm outputting to an analog input, AI0. Okay, and when you build your expression, basically you can select the points by clicking on the map points, digital inputs. Like I said, the alias is already there, 0 DI, 1 DI, 2 DI, 3 DI. So I can pick those. And if you want to write your expression properly, you can use the shortcuts that are given at the bottom here for plus, minus, subtract, divide, greater than, less than, any of the assignments that you would like to do inside Calculator. So 0 DI plus 1 DI plus 2 DI plus 3 DI. All I'm doing is I'm adding the digital inputs and I'm creating an analog input out of them, okay, to create an evaluation expression. Now to do that, I can, once that's done, I can go back, check on my device, right? The device is online, check on the points, right? And I can check either my IED points or my application points. So I can go to my calculator points and view the details. And under analog inputs, we've got this analog input number 0. And for analog input number 0, the value is 0, right? So as I toggle these, so I'm toggling number 5, see, became 1. Toggle number 6. Contact input number 6, 2. Contact input number 7, 3. Contact input number 8, 4, right? If I take any of them out, so let's say I take number 8 out, so it becomes 3, take number 7 out, 2, take number 6 out, and then number 5 out, and it comes back to 0. Great, right? So you can see that it does work. And if we go to the graphical display of this, we can open an evaluation expression graphical display. So I just created an analog input display that shows the DI1 plus DI2 plus DI3 plus DI4. At the same time, it shows all the switches, right? So I'm going to switch number 1 on, or contact input number 5. And it closes. The analog input immediately shows us that we have a contact input added. Contact input number 6, contact input number 7, contact input number 8, and we have a full scale analog input closed. In the same manner, we can go backward and switch off number 8, switch off number 6, sorry, number 7, switch off number 6, switch off number 5. And we have an analog input 0. Very simple. You just have to map your points, right? And then you can carry an evaluation expression on them. Thanks.